Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by arranging all values from smallest to largest so positions make sense. Once sorted, count the observations to find n. This tells you whether to use a single median or paired median. If n is odd, identify the middle data point at index, n plus 1/2. If even, mark the two central values for averaging. Make sure to keep the original values visible in case you need to verify positions later. This establishes the backbone for quartile placement. Next, compute the overall median, Q2, because quartiles are built around it. Once you have Q2, split the sorted dataset into lower and upper halves, everything below and above the median. If n is odd, exclude the median value from both halves so each half has equal counts. If n is even, each half already contains n/2 values. This division ensures Q1 and Q3 are medians of equally sized groups, preserving the 25% and 75% data boundaries. Finally, find the median of the lower half to get Q1 and the median of the upper half to get Q3. These mark the 25th and 75th percentiles. If a half has an even number of values, average its two central numbers to produce the quartile. Once done, verify by checking that roughly 25% of data lie below Q1 and 25% above Q3. If counts mismatch, recheck sorting and whether you excluded the overall median when n was odd.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.